Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to download and install Tableau. Whether you're looking to dive into data visualization for the first time or need Tableau set up on a new device, this guide will walk you through the entire process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Tableau homepage. Type in tableau.com in the address bar. This is the main hub for all Tableau products and services, and it's where you'll begin your download journey. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see various options for different Tableau products and resources. Next, you'll want to sign in if you already have a Tableau account. Look for the Sign In button typically located in the upper right corner of the page and click it. If you don't have an account yet, don't worry, we'll be creating one shortly as part of the download process. You can also access Tableau Desktop or Tableau Public directly from this page if you've used it before. Now, to actually download Tableau, you'll need to open a new browser window or tab. Head over to public.tableau.com. This URL takes you to the free platform of Tableau, which is perfect for getting started with data visualization without any cost. Once the page loads, look at the top left part of your screen and click on Create. This will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From the drop-down menu, select Download Tableau Desktop Public Edition. This is the free version of Tableau Desktop that allows you to create and publish visualizations publicly. Clicking this option will redirect you to the download page where you'll need to provide some basic information. You'll now be directed to the Sign Up page. Here, Tableau needs a bit of information about who you are and how you plan to use the software. Look for the Role drop-down menu and click on it. You'll see several options including personal, researcher, student, or teacher/educator. Select the option that best describes your situation. This helps Tableau understand its user base and provide relevant resources. Once you've selected your role, you'll need to fill in a few more details. Enter the name of your company if you have one, or you can leave it blank if you're using Tableau for personal projects. Next, type in your job position or title. This could be something like student, analyst, researcher, or whatever applies to you. You'll also need to fill in the number of employees field, which helps Tableau understand the size of your organization. After completing all these fields, you're ready to proceed. Click on Download the app to begin the download process. The installer file will start downloading to your computer, usually to your Downloads folder. Once the download completes, simply locate the file and double-click it to run the installation wizard. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation, and you'll be ready to start creating data visualizations with Tableau. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.